गुप्ता जी को जो उन्होंने मेरे को बताया था ना उस दिन, तो उसमें वही था कि उनको ऐसा लग रहा है कि अब अभिलाषा को पर्सनल चाहिए। 50 बच्चे अब
Hello, friends.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon to all of you. And today we discuss about some manufacturing of intermediates. As you know, we get the raw materials from the petroleum products by the different process. That is coal tar distillations, and then we isolate the basic raw materials like the benzene, naphthalenes.
हेलो सर।
Yes.
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
आवाज नहीं आ रही?
हेलो। यस सर, धीरे धीरे आ रही है बहुत।
और तेज बोलो। अब आ रही है आवाज?
हाँ सर।
ठीक।
नो सर,
आवाज नहीं आ रही अभी?
यस सर, अब आ रही है।
ठीक है, ओके। टुडे वी डिस्कस अबाउट some intermediates, manufacturing of some intermediates. As you know, we first of all we isolate the different basic chemicals like the benzene, naphthalenes, anthracene, etc. from the petroleum product or by the process of coal tar distillations, destructive distillation of coal tars. Okay, and these intermediates are used for manufacturing of for different products. But now, we are concerned about only manufacturing of dyes, so that such type of intermediates which are used for manufacturing of dyes, so that we discuss about the only those dyes which are essential or essential or required for dyestuff industry. And you see, this is the amino G acids, and that is 2-naphthylamine 6,8-disulfonic acids. Naphthylamine amino compounds we discussed in the previous class also, and this is the disulfonic acids of naphthylamine. And this is the, you see in the structures, this is the amino group present in the beta position, so that this is the beta naphthylamine or 2 amino naphthalenes. And this beta naphthylamine in presence of excess concentrated H2SO4s and goes under the sulfonations, and sulfonic groups is introduced into the 6 and 8 positions, so that we get the 2-naphthylamine 6,8-disulfonic acids. This is the one product. And another product is when beta naphthylamine is treated with the oleum, that is a free SO3, that is sulfur trioxides, and then we get the this is the beta naphthylamines, because amino group present in the beta position or second positions, and the sulfonic groups goes to the fifth and seventh positions, so that we get 2-naphthylamine 5,7-disulfonic acids. And name of this first product, that is 2-naphthylamine 6,8-disulfonic acid, is amino G acid. These are also used as intermediates. And another product, which is 2-naphthylamine 5,7-disulfonic acids, this is the amino J acids. Here, यहाँ पे जो है ना, naphthyl के बाद amine छूट गया है, amine यहाँ पे include करना पड़ेगा. And this amino G acid is used in the preparation of gamma acids, which is a very important intermediates used for manufacturing of acid azodyes. And amino J acid is used in the preparation of J acids, and it is also important intermediates for manufacturing of direct azodyes. In the previous class, we discussed about the Congo red, that is a disazo direct dyes. Like when any one minimum one azo group is present, belongs to the monoazo. When two groups are present, belongs to the disazo, and the three azo group is present, then trisazo, and more than three, this is the multi-azo or polyazo dies. And all maximum dies belongs to the direct dies. If acid if the acid dies contain the azo group, then it belongs to the acid azo dies. And if reactive dies having the azo groups, they belongs to the reactive azo dies, like that. So here JACD used in the manufacturing of direct azo dies, like the Congo red or others reactive dies. And synthesis of some important di-intermediates. These are the di-intermediates: 1-amino, 2-naphthol, 4-sulfonic acids. These are the di-intermediates, and it can be manufactured by 1-nitro, 2-naphthol. You see, this is the naphthalene structure when two benzene rings are attached together at second and third positions. That is the ortho and meta positions, and it forms the naphthalenes. And at the beta positions, hydroxyl group, alcoholic group is present. So this is the beta naphthol, structure of beta naphthols, and at the first position, nitro group is present. So that 1-nitro, 2-naphthol. And this 1-nitro, 2-naphthols goes under the reduction process in presence of iron NaCls, and this nitro group reduced and convert into the amino groups. Okay, and now we get the 1-amino, 2-naphthols, and this 1-amino, 2-naphthols goes under the sulfonation process, and we get the 1-amino, 2-naphthol, 4-sulfonic acids. This the these nitro naphthols converted into the sulfonic products. And second method is 1-nitroso. This NO2 यहाँ पे नहीं है, NO है. This is the nitroso groups. Here NO2. This is the nitro groups. Nitroso, when nitroso group is present in the first positions, this is the 1-nitroso and 2-naphthols. And this goes under the reduction in presence of sodium bisulfate, and this nitro group converted into the amino groups. That is the NS2 is formed. Here you see the nitrogen, here also nitrogen, but here 2 oxygen atom is attached. So this is the nitro groups, and this is the reason we take the FeSCls and forms the amino groups and 4 molecule of waters. And here only 1 oxygen, so that only 1 molecule of water is formed and 2 molecule attached with the nitrogens. तो यहाँ पर क्या 6 मॉलिक्यूल्स 6 ये Fe के साथ जो है ना 6 HCl मॉलिक्यूल्स यूज होते थे, और यहाँ पर जो है ना 4 ही मॉलिक्यूल की जरूरत पड़ेगी. तो यहाँ पर देखो 1-amino, 2-naphthol ये बन रहा है, और then after sulfonations we get the 1-amino, 2-naphthol, 4-sulfonic acids. Both are the same compounds, and it is separated by the crystallization and filtrations used for manufacturing of modern dyes. And modern dyes, black modern dyes, 3. And another intermediate is 8-amino, 1-naphthol, 5-sulfonic acids. And it is obtained by melting the 1-naphthylamine, 4,8-disulfonic acid with the alkali. You see, this is the structures of this alpha. In the first position, amino group is present, so that 1-naphthylamines, and 4 and 8 position, in the 4 and 8 position, this is the sulfonic acid, so that 4,8-disulfonic acids. And these compounds goes under the fusion reactions. What happens in the fusion reactions? This sulfonic groups first of all converted into the SO3Na, sodium salt of sulfonic acids, and when it is treated with the aqueous NOH at high temperature in the autoclave, it fused and forms the phenolate, that is ONA group. ONA group is introduced, and after acidifications, it converted into the OH groups, so that we get the 8 amino 1 naphthol 5 sulfonic acids. And it is used as an intermediate in the preparation of blue azurodiaz. Third one is 6 amino 1 naphthol 3 sulfonic acids. This is the structural formula of J acid, 6 amino 1 naphthol 3 sulfonic acids. You see the structure, these structures. We add the beta position, amino group is present, so 2 naphthylamines and 4 and 5 and 6 position, 7 positions sulfonic acid is present, so that 2 naphthylamine 5 disulfonic acids, and it is treated with the concentrated NOH at high temperatures, and we get the OH in the first positions of the naphthalene rings, so that it converted into the naphthols, and that is a 1 naphthols. And you can see that in the third position sulfonic acid is present and amino group is present in these positions, that is 6 positions, so that 6 amino 1 naphthol 3 sulfonic acids, this is the J acids, and it is used as an intermediate for manufacturing of direct azurodiaz. Number 4, 7 amino 1 naphthol 3 sulfonic acids, this is the gamma acids, and you see at the beta position naphthyl amino group is present, and 6 and 8 positions sulfonic group is present, so this is the 2 naphthylamine 6 8 disulfonic acids. When treated with the caustic soda, concentrated aqueous caustic soda, or in presence of in the autoclave at high temperature, fusion takes place and the sulfonic groups converted into the OH groups, and this OH group goes to the first positions, and you see in the structures these sulfonic groups converted into the OH groups, and with respect to this sulfonic groups, this is the first position, second position, third position, this is the meta position or third position, and here you see the OH, and this is the first, second and third position. In the third position sulfonic group is present, so that when for this 8 numbers sulfonic group converted into the OH, and with respect to this it goes to the third position, so that we are writing here SO3S at third positions. And this is the 7 amino 1 naphthol 3 sulfonic acids, and this is the gamma acids used as a manufacturing of acid azurodiaz. Number 5th, this is the 8 amino 1 naphthol 3 6 disulfonic acids, and this is the 1 naphthylamine, and this is the 3 position and 6 and 8, so that 1 naphthylamine 3 6 8 trisulfonic acids, and this group sulfonic groups, this is the 8 sulfonic groups goes to these positions, converted into the phenolic groups, so that we get the 1 naphthol or alpha naphthols, and sulfonic groups here is the third positions and 6 positions, so 3 6 disulfonic acids, and in the 8th position amino group is present, so that 8 amino 1 naphthol 3 6 disulfonic acids, and this is the structure of H acids. It is separated as springly soluble sodium salts used as a intermediates for manufacturing of direct and reactive azodides. H acid is widely used in the manufacturing of direct azodides and reactive azodides. And number 6, 8 amino 1 naphthol 3 5 disulfonic acids, and 1 naphthylamines and 4 6 8 trisulfonic acids, and it is treated with the 75% aqueous UH at high temperature 170 degrees centigrade, and we get the 8 amino 1 naphthol 3 5 disulfonic acids, and this is the K acids, and it is used for manufacturing of blue dye for dyeing of cotton materials. Now we discuss about the anthraquinone compounds. When 3 benzene rings are fused together, it forms the anthracene. And in the anthracene, you see this is the first positions, and second position, third position, fourth positions, and this is the 5 positions, 6, 7, 8. And this is the 9 position where the keto group is present, and quinone group, that is quinone groups और keto group, C double bond है तो keto groups हो जाएगा. This is the quinone groups. या ये 9 पोजीशन और ये 10 पोजीशन, तो यहाँ पे 9 and 10 पोजीशन पे क्या है, कीटो ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है, सो दैट एंथ्रा ये क्या हो जाएगा, एंथ्राक्विनोन हो जाएगा, एंथ्रासिन से एंथ्राक्विनोन हो जाएगा. एंड anthraquinone sulfonic acids, these are the very important intermediates in the manufacturing of dyes. Their sulfonic acids can be replaced, sulfonic acid group can be replaced directly by different groups like the hydroxyl, chloro, amino, etc. And you see this is the anthraquinone structures. And when anthraquinone is treated with the oleum, we get this product. In the first position, sulfonic group is introduced, and in the second, this is the beta positions. We get the beta product or 2 sulfonic acid product. That is product first. That is the anthraquinone first sulfonic acids, and it is obtained by heating the anthraquinone with oleum. Oleum having the 18% free sulfur trioxides and 2%. Hello, pardon? हाँ, आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या? It is obtained by heating anthraquinone with the oleum having the 18% free sulfur trioxides and 2% finely powdered mercury oxides at 50 to 120 degrees centigrade. And then it is isolated as springly soluble sodium salt and used for production of 1 amino anthraquinone. And this 1 amino anthraquinone used as the intermediates in the manufacturing of dispersed dye. Another compound is anthraquinone 2 sulfonic acids, and it is obtained by heating anthraquinone with the high aqueous of oleum having the 45% free sulfur trioxide and temperature is 150 degrees centigrade, and it is separated as a sodium salt by using the sodium hydroxides. And third one compound is anthraquinone 1,5 and 1,8 disulfonic acids. And you can see this is the 1 sulfonic acids, not simple anthraquinones. First of all, we sulfonate the anthraquinone with the H2SO4, then we get this one, 1 sulfonic acid anthraquinone, and further sulfonations, in presence of oleum at high temperature 140 to 150 degrees centigrades, we get the two isomers, 1,5 disulfonic acid anthraquinone and 1,8 disulfonic acid anthraquinone. We get the two isomers by the by treating the oleum with the 1 sulfonic acid anthraquinone. These products are obtained by these methods, and it is separated. It is 1,5 disulfonic acid isomer is salted out from more soluble 1,8 disulfonic acids anthraquinone isomers, and after diluting sulfonate mass. Okay, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स। और इसमें कोई पिछले क्लास का कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो पूछ लेना, और नहीं तो व्हाट्सएप वगैरह जो भी है आप व्हाट्सएप पे या पर्सनली भी कांटेक्ट करके पूछ सकते हो आप। और अटेंडेंस
इसकी पीडीएफ फाइल ग्रुप में सेंड कर देना।
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल कर दूंगा, दोनों कल का भी और आज का भी कर दूंगा।
ओके सर, थैंक यू।